Hey, what's up guys, it's Never Paul from Functional Develops, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about sass control directive. And when I say sass control directive, what I'm going to cover is I'm going to talk about if directive, then I'm going to talk about for directive. So let me just comment them out. For directive, while directive, and just write while, and finally each directive. So sass control directives are more constants of creating libraries for reuse in your code, and if you're thinking of taking sass to the next level, you know this directive will be more important. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide this video into 4 parts where I'll be discussing each of control directives. So you expect to watch 4 videos of these sass control directives. So what I'm going to start with, if directive, and if you're keen enough, in the other last video that I did of extend, you would see that I used if directive. So if directive is like if you written code in Java or in PHP, what it does, it returns a value if the value passed in is true, or it depends on what you passed in for. To quick mark up on what you do, I just go straight to the code and do what you want to see. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to create a mixing where I'll use this control directive inside my mixing, where I'll be validating some stuff and passing in the correct style. If these let's say like if the code is true, or if the variable passed in is equals to what I want, it will add a style inside what we want to style. So I'll just create my mixing. Okay, in my mixing I'll call it like, let's say transform. So with transform, what I'll do, I'll just pass in 2 parameters, and the parameters are the name of the transform and the properties. So I'll just say props and results. So it will take properties. So what I do, I just come and validate if name is equals to, okay, name is equals to what I'll do, I'll just use translate. What you do just, let me just go to my next one. Just say this. I'll use this. So if our code is translate, so what I do, I see what the error is. CSS is expected. Just a minute. Okay, the code is well done. So what I'll do, I'll just replace these here with translate. I can just use the set to make my work here. So I'll just copy this and paste it here. And all I'll do is I'll just change my name so I'll just write it like this. So when I save my file and come inside my app.css, I'll just write a normal code. Like I'll give it a class of class, and inside my class I'll just pass in include, and inside my include I'll use this here, which is returns, and pass it to parameters that you want to parameters will be translate, and inside our translate I will pass in this file which is -50 -50%. Save it, should be running the CSS file, so just save it. Okay, we got a problem here, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to rectify my problem, check where the problem is. So the problem is that I haven't written the correct props, so I'll just write the correct props and save my code. So when I come to my app.css, I should get this class rendered, so I'll just come in and find my class code, and when I come here you see that our code has been rendered. So the next thing I'm just going to write another if statement where I use else if, so we use else if, and else if the name is equals to, let's say like scale, what we told you, which will just run this code here. So I'll just copy this here and paste it here. So just come here and say scale, and the code is done. So and lastly I would like to know code called else. So else to do this, to just come here, and what I'll do, just come here in my sense, and I'll copy this code here, this here, and okay, just copy, then paste it here, then I'll just replace these with props. Since I'll do the same code, so I'll just write props. So wherever if the name is scale, it will render out this code, and if the name is translated, render out this code, and if the name doesn't exist inside this if statements here, or it's not true, what's you going to do to render out this? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make this for two codes my CSS. So what I'm going to do, I'm just size scale, so I'm just going to change this values and writing point to 0.6, and let's just say that, and another one I'll do is 0.6 again. And here I'm going to let's say like rotate and I'll rotate it to 60 degrees, so I'll just say 60 degrees. And when I save my code, when we check in our CSS, what we should see is we should see all this code that goes with person if these maybe translates into another this code, and so you can see here different this code, and if it's scaled to render out this code here, else if it's not one of these scale or translate to render out this code, and then you can see the button on minus rotate and our probes as 60 degrees, and when we check our XSS we see our code as created. So guys, this is how you can use if directive inside your code. You can also use it in how you want, but as long as you understand how to use if directive in your sass script. So guys, thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the other video where we're talking of for directive. Ciao.